Live your dream right here. Fresh. Turnkey. Ideal ranch home with full lower level. Charming curb appeal. Elegant floor plan. Reclaimed hardwood floors. Tim the Toolman approved oversized garage. Inviting. Vaulted ceilings. Over 1,500 feet in unfinished lower level just waiting for you to create your dream recreation space, man cave, or add an extra bedroom. Bath rough-in. Huge deck with fenced-in yard and lush green yard for pups or backyard barbecues. Mrs. Spotless lives here. Feel the love and comfort the moment you enter. Welcome home!